We're gonna paint something so easy today that it's gonna have you saying, you've got to be kidding me. Grab your watercolors and give them a spritz. Although this one we really only need a couple colors. Start by filling your brush with a nice yellow color. Then you're gonna make 3 lines that have space in between them. The middle one should be the widest. Wash your brush, refill it with a black color, and you're going to make a little cap on the top, and then fill in between those other 2 lines. Make a little one on the very end, and if you want to, you can add a little stinger. And then for the wings, we're going to make a teardrop shape and then a smaller teardrop shape on either side. Make 2 little antennae. At this point, before that dries completely, wash your brush, fill it with water, and fill in the insides of the wings so that color bleeds in just a bit. If you wanted to, you could allude to a couple of the little feet now. I'm going to repeat this a bunch of times on the page and have them all going in slightly different directions. I want to add in something else to this page, but I don't want it to bleed into the bees that I just painted, so I need to let this dry or make it dry. And once it's dry, I'm going to take that yellow color or a variation of it, and I'm going to make honeycomb that kind of peeks in and out around those bees. If you want to make sure that all your honeycombs are about the same size, you can cut yourself out a little guide to make sure that they're uniform, but I'm just going to wing it. I did make it harder on myself by trying to make up the honeycomb shapes, but I had a lot of fun doing this, and I'm not pawing your leg on that. That is a terrible pun.